Hello and welcome, this is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. This is the next project that I will be working on. This is a gorgeous partial special drill diamond painting that I got from OneDaySaving. And it is of a gorgeous Dreamcatcher with the owl in the center. It looks absolutely amazing, so I cannot wait to see how it looks with drills on it. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter and it has 9 different drills in it. I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look at that drill field. So in we go. No problems whatsoever reading those symbols. I love those feathers. I think they look just amazing just like that. No issues there. There's 2 simple keys, one on each side, and there's a beautiful owl. I love that. I love the printing they've done for his eyes. I think it looks amazing. I love this background print that they've done too behind the owl. I think that looks really cool. And all the way up to the top, 2 symbol keys. I'll bring you over to this one here. Very small symbol key, but I don't think there's any issues working out what's what. But that looks amazing. I can't wait to see how this turns out because I reckon it's look really, really cool. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. So out we go. And we'll have a look at those drills. So drills come on standard strip. Alright, so you got some absolutely gorgeous, they're super sparkly, clear rhinestones. Got this lovely orange, got black AB coated drills. Oh wow, that is such a beautiful color. It's like a very soft orangey brown color, and the same in a darker shade. Those drills are so sparkly. Got some small marquees, some gorgeous blue rounds. Some white AB coated rounds, and you've got some faceted light orange round drills. They look amazing. The backs of those drills, they look really, really good. Can't see any funny bits on the sides. Really good quality drills, actually. Beautiful. That's going to look absolutely amazing. So number 7 of those big ones there, they would be, so they're the blue. That one there goes here, here, here along the edges. So that's going to be amazing. So I'm going to jump in and get started on this one. I will be back with my review and let you know how I go, if I had any issues or anything like that. So I'm going to get started and I'll see you on the other side. All finished. How cool did this turn out? I absolutely love how all the colors work so well with this. You've got these gorgeous different shades of this sort of orange bronzy sort of color, and then it's offset by these beautiful blue drills. And then you've got these really lovely AB coated black drills on the top there, and it just balances it out beautifully. I love how all the colors work out. This is a really good diamond painting to do. The adhesive was really good quality. The drills are really, really good quality. I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look. So in we go. They're super duper shiny. Not that you can really, you can see a little bit there. It's pretty overcast today. You can see those orange drills are just so beautiful. And they work so well together. And then you got those really beautiful white domes in there too. They work really well. And it's just printed beautifully in the background, like that dark brown. This bit here is beautifully printed. And all the way up to the owl. There's those gorgeous AB coated black drills. How gorgeous are they? Really beautiful. Sorry, that was a cat on my tripod. Sorry. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll zoom you back out again. So out we go. Oh, I think it's so pretty. All right, we'll have a look at those leftover drills. So I just work straight out of the bag with these guys. It's what I usually do with smaller diamond painting, especially if they're special drills. But there was lots and lots left over. I love the different shading of these orange beigey sort of drills. They're so beautiful, and they were really lovely drills. They didn't have any scratches on the back. Really, really good quality. You can see there's lots left over there. These bigger rounds. There's the white rounds. Get those over there before I drop them. Lots of those large blue ovals. Lots of those. And look at those. They're just so sparkly, and the backs of those are not scratched at all. Some more of those rhinestones. And the, look how many of the black ones they gave you. Heaps. Heaps and heaps. Very, very generous with their drills. Get him back on board again. So that is my gorgeous special drill Dreamcatcher owl. This is absolutely gorgeous. It was really lovely to do. It took me a little while because there's actually quite a lot going on down here. A lot of drills. Which is good. Kept me busy for a few days, and yeah, those colors look amazing together. So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much for sending this out to me for review. I absolutely love this. It's just gorgeous. I will link this up in the description box below if you're interested. So I'd like to thank OneDaySaving very much, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!